In this video, I will show you how to put your Discord link on TikTok. First of all, after you open up your TikTok app like this, as you can see now tap on this profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this one, as you can see on my TikTok app now, as you can see I have a link. As you can see here is the link now. Here is it. So to add your Discord link on TikTok, all you have to do now, tap on this edit profile section. After you tap on this edit profile, now tap on this where it says bio. The last option, tap on it, bio. So after you open up this section, as you can see I already have a link, as you can see as I shown you. So now delete the link that is existing on your TikTok and paste in your and paste in your Discord link in this section. So after you paste in your Discord link, as you can see like this one, just tap on this. As you can see tap on this save button. If you tap on this save button now, it will take you back to this section. As you can see it will take you back to this section. Now you can be able to see your Discord link in this section. As you can see that's it guys on how to put your Discord link on TikTok. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.